It is annoying that accidentally delete important WhatsApp messages. Is there a way to recover the message immediately? Today I offer you two methods. The first method is to use Google Cloud Drive Backup. First, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Click Settings. Go to Chat Backup. However, if you haven't backed it up before, you won't be able to restore it using this method. The second method that does not require backup is to use MoniMaster for WhatsApp. After finishing binding the target WhatsApp account, click Dashboard. Click WhatsApp Chats in the side menu. Here are all the messages recorded. Not only the deleted ones but also the live chats of the target account are synced here. Besides chats, you can also see calls, statuses, photos and videos, voice messages and files, etc. In short, with MoniMaster for WhatsApp, you can get any message you want. Click the link below for more tips on WhatsApp.